What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can take this repeatable process and do it over and over and over again and make thousands of dollars every single week. We're going to get started right now. Okay guys, so first step, we're going to go over to a website called Appsumo.com. If you've never heard of Appsumo, Appsumo is a marketplace. So basically they have a lot of things on here. They're mainly known for software, but they have a lot of courses and learning, templates, creative resources, as you can see here. But basically, you know, it's just filled with a lot of things that you can use, tools for really anything. So you can look through here and find a lot of cool stuff actually, and you can even post your own things on here if you'd like to, and you can make sales that way, but we're not going to do that. If you want, as an alternative option, you can promote Appsumo itself, and then you can get paid anytime someone purchases anything on here. If you scroll down to the bottom of Appsumo's website, you'll see on the bottom there is a link here for affiliates. You can click that and sign up and promote your link. Anytime anyone purchases anything on here, you will get paid. But we're just going to look for something specific, guys, and I'm going to show you how to promote that. And then, like I told you, we can repeat that process over and over and over again. This is completely free, guys, and we can make money. By the way, I make videos like this every single week, so if you like videos about making money, subscribe to the channel, guys. All right, so we're going to look through here and find something. I was actually doing a search earlier, and if you Google grow Twitter followers, they have a lot of good social media tools on here, and that's obviously something everyone's interested in. You can look for, you know, Instagram tools or whatever you want, or you can just look through the categories and find stuff based on social media. But I found this grow Twitter. I searched for grow Twitter followers, and I found this tool, Zlapo, the ultimate Twitter growth tool. It's $139. So I was looking through it and thought it was pretty cool, and I thought it would be a good product for us to promote. So when I head over to their website, it actually looks like a really great tool, and they have a lot of great features, and you can scroll through and look through the products yourself and kind of see, you know, the features and if it seems like something you'd want to promote. But for now, we're just going to use this as our example. So if we go to the bottom of their website, we'll see they have an affiliate button down here. So pretty much any tool you find on Appsumo, you're going to see that most of them have an affiliate program of some kind that you can promote their product and make money without ever having to make anything of your own. So when we click their affiliates page, it brings us over here where we can sign up for free, and it tells us right here at the top, receive 50% recurring monthly commissions for referred paying users to Zlapo. And that's key, guys. That means every month they keep using it, we're going to keep making money month after month after month, and we're going to keep repeating this process, and we're just going to compound our growth, and that's how we're going to make thousands of dollars a week. So sign up here and get your link. Once you have your link, keep it saved in a notes or somewhere to the side so that you know where you have it, because we're going to use it later and I'm going to show you where. So now that we have our product and we know what we're going to promote, we need to find articles that we're going to use. We don't have to write anything. I'm just going to show you how to use this and leverage it to promote our link. So go over to Google, and we're going to search for basically what someone would look for if they're going to use a tool like we're promoting. So I searched how to grow on Twitter, and obviously a bunch of articles come up. So the first one here is how to increase Twitter followers, a 101 guide for brands. That's a popular post that a lot of people would want to be reading if they have a brand and they want to grow on Twitter. So over here is the article. All right, I have it loaded up ready for you. The article is, you know, you can read it if you want, but it looks like it's going to work perfect for us. The next step to this, guys, we're going to take this link, okay, we're going to copy it, then we're going to go over to a website called Print Friendly. Print Friendly makes any web page print friendly and a PDF. Basically, they remove all the ads, all the links, all the anything, and just gives you the printable PDF article. So we're going to paste that, okay, then we're going to go to preview. It brings us over to the page where it's going to make it into a PDF, and boom, guys, it's now a printable PDF. All the ads are gone, all the links are gone, everything is just clean, ready to print. That's what this website's for. But what we're going to do is we're going to download this, or we're going to hit PDF, okay, and we're going to make a PDF, download it, okay. Now we have that saved. Then the next step, we're going to go over to a website called sejda.com, SEJDA.com. This will allow us to edit a PDF document for free. Okay, so we're going to click this link right here, and it's going to bring us over here where we can upload our PDF file. So we can upload here, and we can click the one that we just downloaded, okay, and now here's our article in a PDF, but now we can edit it. Okay, and this is key. Now we're going to take that link that we got earlier when we signed up as an affiliate with the Twitter tool. So anywhere on this article that you find space or you want to put it, you can just type any text you want now. So here I can put, like, at the top of this or whatever, for the best Twitter growth tool, click here. Okay, now I can move this right into the center if I want, okay, and then I can actually make this a link. So we'll go up here and click links at the top. we'll drag a little box around this. So if anybody clicks in this box, it's going to take them to our link, which they can purchase that tool and we will get paid. So here's where we would type our link. So we would put ours, lapo.com, whatever your affiliate link is, you would put that here. Okay, hit enter and boom. Now this is a clickable link, and anyone who clicks this is gonna go to that page to purchase this product here, and they will go through and look all the features and think that that looks great, and then they will purchase it and we will get paid for that. Okay, so what I would do is I would just keep posting this throughout the article. Maybe you wanna put it anywhere it seems a good fit, or you can just put it like once per page, at the top, at the bottom, whatever you think you wanna do, but you just put it throughout this article, so as people are reading it, they're gonna see these links and they'll click it. Now, to promote this PDF document, we're gonna go to our third and final site, which is called slideshare.net. Okay, go to this site. This site, guys, gets 59 million visitors a month. Okay, so there's a ton of people on here, which means we have a lot of potential to get our documents seen and clicks to our offer. So here you can see people posting things. I mean, look, 826,000 views, 218,000 views, 30,000 views, 90,000 views, 88,000 views. So people are posting all these kinds of articles and PDFs and helpful guides and basically things like that. So we're gonna do the same thing now with our edited PDF that we just made. So we'll go to upload here in the corner, select documents to upload. We're gonna click on the PDF that we made. Okay, I'm not a robot. Now here we will, make the title, how to increase Twitter followers, a 101 guide. Okay, something like that. Select a category, business. You can take the time, write a good description, because that's going to help you come up in search when people are looking for things. If you've ever wanted to grow on Twitter, this is what I recommend. These are my top 10 steps, and you can list some things here. And then, put some tags here. We can put Twitter, so if anybody types anything with Twitter, we have a chance to come up. Obviously, leave it as public. Okay, then we're going to hit publish. And then we're going to be on that marketplace, guys. So we will be coming up here with all these other offers, and when anyone searches for anything at the top, if they search Twitter, okay, all these things that come up, we have a chance to come up here as well. So this is one article, one way to do it. So basically what we're gonna do then from here to really make the big money is we're gonna go, and now that we have one product, we're gonna maybe find 10 different articles, make PDFs for those, post them all up there, and then we can find another product and do the same thing with 10 more articles, and another product and 10 more articles. So literally I just did this in about 5 minutes, and if we can do that, maybe maybe we can make 10 a day. So you can just in an hour a day make like 5 or 10 of these a day really quickly, guys, and you'll get faster the more you do it. I was explaining it so I can easily do this faster if I wasn't talking, but we can make a ton of these every single day, and then it just compounds, and we will start getting more and more clicks every single day. And when you're getting hundreds and thousands of clicks to offers, you will make sales, and that's how you make thousands of dollars a week. I hope you guys like this method. This is a really easy method. Anybody can do this. Anybody can scale this, and it's completely free. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love reading your questions. If you have video ideas, leave them there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.